In this video, I will give you 10 reasons why you guys should shift from other broker to angel broking. So guys, watch the video till the end. It will be very helpful for you. Reason number 1, they have best trading platform in the industry. They have best web-based trading platform, desktop application, and top-rated mobile application, where already 1 million plus downloads. Reason number 2, they have fastest payout facility. If you want to withdraw money from your trading account, within 30 minutes, money will be in your bank account. Reason number 3, they provide margin facility MTF, where we can buy with 1 lakh margin up to 40 lakh rupees shares. Reason number 4, they charge lowest brokerage in the industry, which is 20 rupees per executive order and delivery absolutely free. Reason number 5, they have best customer support. Reason number 6, they provide advisory service with a good track record. Reason number 7, they have pan-India presence. They have more than 100 branches all over in India, which is the best part of all customers. Reason number 8, there is no account opening charges, account opening absolutely free. Reason number 9, they have call and trade facility. Offline trader can also trade very easily. Customer support is very good. Reason number 10, they have equity SIP facility, which is very helpful. We can start SIP in any stock. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.